Hi friends, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss regarding a very important topic that I will win. I have to win in my life. Now what are the parameters, so what are the things I have to maintain to get success or to win in my life? That is the motto or subject of this video. So those who want to be a successful and those who decided to win in life, please be with the video and ultimately if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for this kind of videos that can ignite your life. Now if you want to become a successful and if you want to win your life, then the things, the parameters that you have to take care will be discussed step by step. Now the first step, positive attitude. You should maintain a positive attitude towards your life. Always think positive regarding your life, your career, so that you can achieve your positive motto of life. And the parameters that influence this positive attitude is your education background, your family background, your childhood. So you are mature enough, so try to develop a positive attitude inside you so that you can achieve your success and ultimately you will win. Step 2, think of success. Whenever you are starting some work, some business, some things, anything, you plan to be successful. You feel I can be successful. That is the first step to become successful. And don't increase your ego and other negative parameters that will be the obstacle of your success. So you always try to focus on the positive. Step 3, daily motivation. You motivate yourself daily. As you are taking your foods, your water regularly, you also take your motivations regularly. Read out motivational books, go to motivational videos, go to motivational heroes, meet them, discuss your problem, solve your problem, and you will be the successful man in the world, that I can say. Next thing is, you create a constructive self-esteem. Your self-esteem will be constructive, you can think constructively. So whenever you are starting something, some business, some assignment, think constructively and never be influenced by negative parameters, so that it will increase, so that it decrease basically your motivation, your energy. So always try to develop a constructive self-esteem. Next step, create a very pleasant personality, always with a big smile so that people can easily accept you. So create a pleasant personality. End of the day, every one of us have a dream that we should be respected by everyone and we will be accepted by everyone. So always try to be a man of pleasant personality. A smiling face is a very good sign of pleasant personality. You should be acceptable by everyone, then you can easily achieve your success. Next thing, you train your subconscious mind to focus on the positive, not on the negative. Always try to train your subconscious mind to find out the positive part of your life, not the negative one. So if you train this one, automatically your subconscious mind will be a positive thinker, positive worker, and naturally the positive result will come and you will be successful in your life. Practice some good habits. Habits creates a man. So practice some good habits. Rise early, take proper foods, avoid external foods, take healthy foods, take good associations. Ultimately you will become a man of success if you can control your habits. Your habits creates your success. So be aware of your habits. Next, become a man of value and ethics. You should maintain value and ethics in your profession, in your life, so that you can be a valuable man. Everyone should respect you and ultimately that will ignite your motivation, your positive energy to become successful. You always focus on your dream and forget about the other parameters that is not connected to your dream. Accept the favorable, forget the unfavorable. So whatever parameters are favorable to achieve your goal or dream, you accept this one and neglect other parameters. You must set your goal. Your goal will be in three parts. First one, short-term goal, mid-term goal, ultimately your long-term goal. So you first fixed up your short-term, then mid-term, then ultimately your long-term goal. Then you will be happy to planning your life or your career. And one thing you keep in mind, your goal or your dream should be SMART. Here the SMART stands for S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic, T for time bound. You have to satisfy these 5 parameters to achieve your dream or goal, and ultimately you will become a rich and successful person. So if you really want to be successful, you want to win in your life, if you want to win your life, then please follow these parameters, these rules, and ultimately you will realize you are a man of new parameters, new version. You better to say me 2.0. You are a new version of yourself after watching the video. If you feel this video is helpful for others, please share this video to others so that they also can be encouraged and we can create an effective society for further living. So friends, have a great day. Please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends for further benefits of our society. Have a great day.